Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I know a lot of people are asking me since I've changed it, what's the theme that I've been using? So I installed it today. It's been a while since I've changed my pictures. So this is a Windows theme available in the Microsoft Store, and it contains 18 images. It is called something like Colors of the Rainbow. So if you want to have this theme, which has really nice pictures, so if we can go through these pictures a little bit. Next desktop background, here we go. And there's another one here we go. And another one here we go. So these are very colorful and beautiful themes that and pictures that are very colorful. So if you want to change and check it out, here it is. You simply go to your settings, go into personalization, themes, click get more themes in the Microsoft Store. Here, simply search for the one called Colors of the Rainbow. It's a little far down, so just go down until you see the colors of the umbrellas that you see here. It is Colors of the Rainbow. Click on that to go there. Once you're here, you click, of course, install or whatever. And once you have it, you have to go to your themes page again. Double click on Colors of the Rainbow. And for my personal liking, a few things I change. I go back to colors. Here I will choose your accent color. I put a check mark to make sure that the general accent color of my Windows operating system reflects the background picture that is on there. And make sure that Start, Taskbar, Action Center, Title bars, and Windows borders are also checked. So Colors of the Rainbow is that. And one of the things also that I do is in background, I change this from 1 minute to 1 hour because sometimes it can actually create some stuttering while the picture's changing, especially if you're a gamer, because the picture changes in the background even while you're playing games, and it can actually create weird stuttering every minute if you keep it at 1 minute. So I put it at 1 hour, which is nice and gives you the time to enjoy the pictures when they are on the screen. So Colors of the Rainbow, and it's available in the Microsoft Store. This is the theme of choice that I have right now on my computer. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.